students, today we will learn 9th Maths 1, that is the geometry. So what is meant by the geometry? Geometry, this word is generated from the Greek word. Which one? Geo and metry. So geo means earth and metry means measurement. Geometry means earth measurement. Okay. In the geometry, the first chapter is basic concept in geometry. Okay. Which is the basic concept in geometry? You know that the point, line and plane, these are the basic concept in geometry. Which one? Points, line and plane. Point, line and plane. These are basic concept in geometry. Point is represented as this line. Okay. Line is represented as this line and plane is represented as this line. Okay. You know that point, line and plane, these basic concept in geometry, these are we have studied in the previous classes. Okay. So in this lecture we studied the basic concept in geometry. And also remember one thing, this line and the plane, these are the set of the points. You know that these lines and planes are the set of the points. Now is coordinate of points. The coordinates of points means the number associated with a point on the number line is called as the coordinates of point. First I draw the number line here. 0. The RHS of the 0, there are the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and LHS of the 0, there are the negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now here A, B, C, D, P, Q, R. The coordinate of points means the number associated with a point on a number line is called as the coordinate of a point. Here, for example, A, -3, -3, coordinate of point A is 0. Here, for example, the coordinate of point A is -3. Coordinate of point B is -2. Coordinate of point C is -1. Coordinate of point D is 0. Coordinate of point P is 1. Coordinate of Q is 2. And coordinate of R, point R, is 3. Have you got it? What is meant by the coordinate? Now, the next concept is the distance. So, how to find out the distance? Here, the segment PA. First, find out the distance between the PA. How to find out the distance PA? So, distance between point P and A, or also it is written as distance between A, P. Okay, distance between A and P. Then here, how to find out this distance? Here, coordinate of the point P is -2. Coordinate of the point A is 1. Then first find out which is the greatest coordinate of these two. Okay, coordinate of P is -2 and coordinate of A is equal to 1. Okay, then first find out which is the greatest coordinate between them. Which is the greatest? Here 1, therefore 1 is greater than minus 2. 1 is greater than minus 2. So how to find out the distance between these 2 points? The distance obtained by these 2 points by subtracting smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Distance between the 2 points is obtained by the subtracting smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Okay, therefore the distance between AT is, which is the greatest coordinate? 1 minus 2. Minus plus, then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then distance between AT is equal to 3. Remember this thing. The distance between the 2 points is obtained by the subtracting smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. And remember one thing, the distance between the 2 points which is never negative, which is a non-negative real number. Distance between the 2 different points is non-negative real number. And remember another one, if the 2 points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. Okay, remember this thing. And are you got it? How to find out the distance between the 2 points. Okay, now the next point is between this. So the next point is between this. Here, if P, Q, R are 3 collinear points, if P, Q and R are 3 collinear points, then there are the 3 possibilities. Which are the first possibility is the point P is between Q and R. It is symbolically represented as P, Q dash P dash R. That is the line. This is the point P and this is point Q and this is point R. That means P is lies between Q and R. Okay. The next possibility is possibility 2. Point Q is between P and R. P and R. It is symbolically represented as P dash, Q dash, R dash. That is, here line is the point P dash, P, Q and here R. That is, Q is lies between P and R. Okay. Next possibility is third possibility. The point R is between points P and Q. Okay, that means it is symbolically represented as P dash, Q, P dash, R dash and Q. And line is here P, Q, P, R, Q, P, R and Q. That means R is between P and Q. Okay, here P, Q are the 3 collinear points. Then there are the Second possibility, Q is between P and R, and third possibility, R is between P and Q. Okay. If distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. So here distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. Then it is said to be the point Q is between point P and R. Okay, that means Q is lies between P and R. So it is shown that P dash, Q dash, R or R dash, Q dash, P. Okay, betweenness means, are you got it? What is meant by the betweenness? Next point is line segment. Line segment. Here, first I draw the line with the help of the ruler. Here, this point, the end points of that line is a segment A and B. Okay, so what is meant by the line segment? Here AB is the segment. Then here the point A and point B and the points between A and B, these sets, that means the union of the point A and point B and points between A and B is called as the line segment. Okay, and this line segment, the length of this line segment is 10 centimeter. Length of this line segment is 10 centimeter. Then the distance between the end points of the line segment is called as the length of that segment. And how to written as? Here the length of AB is equal to 10 centimeter. It is represented as this line. Length of AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Find question 1. Find the distance with the help of the number line given below. You have given the number line. This is the number line. There, this is the 0, the coordinate of this number. Then, to find out the distance BE. Okay. The distance between the 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Here, distance BE. First, write the coordinate of point B and E. Coordinate of point B. Coordinate of point P is 2. Then coordinate of point E is is 5. Then which one is the greater? Here 5 is greater than 2. Then therefore 5 is greater than 2. Then subtracting the smaller coordinate from the greater coordinate. Therefore distance between BE is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Therefore the distance between BE is equal to 3. Okay, are you got it? How to find out the distance? Okay, between the 2 points. To find the distance PC. Then here coordinate of P is minus 4. Coordinate of C is is 3. Okay. Which one is the greater? Here 3 is greater than minus 4. 3 is greater than minus 1. Then the distance between PC is equal to subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Here 3 minus 4 minus plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Therefore the distance PC is equal to 7. Okay. So next question is, if the coordinate of point A is x and the B is y, then find distance AB. Okay, you have given the coordinate x is equal to -4 and y is equal to -5. Then solution is coordinate of point A is x. Here value of x is -4. Then coordinate of point B is y. Y is equal to -5. Then the distance between AB is subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Okay, then here which is the smaller coordinate? Here -5 is smaller than -4. Then distance AB is equal to -4 minus -5. Then minus plus -4 plus 5 is equal to 1. Distance AB, therefore distance AB is equal to 1. Okay, are you got it? How to solve? The next value is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Here coordinate of point A then is x is equal to 1, and here coordinate of point B, y is equal to 7. Then which is the greatest coordinate? Here 7 is greater than 1. Therefore distance AB is equal to 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6. Therefore distance AB is equal to 6. Okay. The next question is, from the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. Find which of the point is between other two if the points are not collinear and state so. Okay, you have given the some distances. Here distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10, and distance QR is equal to 3. Okay, then how to find out the which of the point is between the other two? Okay, first given solution is, first write the given distances. Distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10, and distance QR is equal to 3. By observing these three distances, first find out which is the greatest distance. Here PQ is the greatest distance. Okay, then therefore distance PQ is equal to 10. This is our the first equation. Then distance PR is 7 and distance QR is equal to 3. Then addition of these two distances is distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. This is our second equation. From equation 1 and 2, we get the RHS of these two equations is same. Therefore, LHS of these two equations is same. Therefore, distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. Then observe this equation. Distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. In this term, there is R is the common in both. Okay, that means R is between point P and Q. Okay, therefore P, Q and R are collinear. Here the point P, Q, R are collinear, and which of the point is between other two? Here R is common in both. Therefore R is between P and Q. Therefore point R is between points P and Q. Okay, are you you got it? How to find out which of the point between other two? First, you have given the three distances. First, find out the which is the greatest distances, and remaining two, addition of these two is equal to that greatest equation. Then you concluded that the given distances, given points are collinear to each other. Okay, and then find out which point is between other two.